Good morning, my dear students. Let's continue the chapter Word Processing with Microsoft Word. Okay, so in last class we ended with the formatting text using the front dialog box. Now let's see about the paragraph formatting. Okay, a document in Word is a collection of sentences and paragraphs. Okay, you can press the enter key, a paragraph is inserted automatically. Word offers various formatting features to control the appearance of the text in a paragraph. Okay, now aligning the paragraph text. When text is entered in the Word document by default, it is aligned towards the right side of the margin. To change the alignment of the paragraph, click anywhere of the paragraph and select the alignment from the Home tab paragraph group. Okay, a paragraph can be aligned in any one of the following ways: right alignment, left aligned, or central aligned, or justified. This is the way you can align the paragraph. Now, paragraph and line space. How to give the line space in a paragraph? It is important to give proper spacing between paragraph lines to improve the readability of a document. To adjust the spacing between paragraph lines, first what you need to do: click on the paragraph, then click on the line and paragraph spacing button in the paragraph group of the Home tab and select the spacing required. Getting? Now click the paragraph group dialog box with launcher. In the dialog box, adjust the line spacing. Okay, how to do it? Get it? Now let's discuss about the paragraph indentation. Indentation determines the distance of the paragraph either from the left or from the right margin. To indent a paragraph, what we need to do? First, click on the paragraph, then on the Home tab, paragraph group, click the increase indent button repeatedly to increase the indent, or click the decrease indent button to decrease the indent. Okay. Now click the paragraph group dialog box launcher, then in the paragraph dialog box, indent and spacing tab will be there, then adjust the paragraph indentation. Okay, this is about how to indent the paragraph. Now let's see about the border and shading. A block of text can be given a border and even shaded using the border and shading tool in Word. This helps to emphasize the content. To do this, what we need to do? First, click the paragraph or select the paragraph text you want to format. On the Home tab, paragraph group, click the border and shading arrow and select the border and shading. In the border and shading dialog box, click the borders tab and select the types of setting you want to form your border. You can adjust the style, color and width of the border. To add shading to the paragraph, click the shading tab and select the color from the field. Then click OK. Like this you can do the border and shading of a paragraph. Now let's see bullet and numbering. How to install in a paragraph. Microsoft Word provides bullet and numbering to put a list of items in order. To create either the bulleted or to the numbered list, select a list of text to which you want to assign bullets or numbering. Click the bullet button arrow in the paragraph groups to display a list of bullets you want to assign to the list. You can select any of the bullet style available by simply clicking over it. If you wish to create a number of list instead of a bulleted list, click the numbering button arrow and select any of the numbering style available by simply clicking over it. Now let's see about format painters. The format painters let you copy the formatting used in one block of the text to another block of text. This is useful when you want some text to have the same font, color, size and alignment as in the previously formatted text. To apply the format painters, what you need to do? Select the text whose format is to be copied. In the Home tab, click Format Painter. The mouse pointer changes to a point brush icon. Click and drag the brush to select text you wish to format and release the mouse button. The text change to the selected format. Okay, this is how you can format a painter. Now let's see how to insert word art. Word art takes object with ready-made effects. Word art allows you to insert attractive text in your documents. To insert word art in your document, what all the things you need to do? Let's see. First, Click word art in the Insert tab and select a word art style from the word art gallery. A text box appears on the document. Type the text in the document and click outside the text box. Clicking the word art box activates the Drawing Tools Format tab on the ribbon. Use the toolbar, apply more effects to the word art. You can change the style, color, outline of the text. To apply word art on given text, select the text and then select the word art command. Okay, like this you can use the word art in your paragraph or you can insert. Now let's see inserting text box. Text written inside the text boxes allows you to move the text around the page or as an object. This feature is very useful when designing pages with image etc. To insert a text box, first you need to click the text box in the Insert tab and simply click the text box from the gallery. Click inside the text box and type. This is how you can insert a text box. Now insert image in your document. How to insert? You can easily insert pictures into your document, whether they are on your computer or on the web. To insert a picture from a file, what you need to do? First, place your insertion point where you want to insert to appear. In the Insert tab, Illustration group, click the Picture command. Then insert the Picture dialog box, location, the picture file and click Insert. The image is inserted in your document. The inserted image can be resized by dragging the resize handle on the image or rotate using the rotating handle. If you wish to insert an image from the web, you need to first save the image in your computer and then insert it from the saved location. To insert image from the clipart gallery, go to the clipart in the Insert tab. Then in the clipart navigation pane, type the search word to locate the image and click to go. Then click the image from the gallery to insert into the document. Now let's see how to format an image. First, adjust the group tools can be used to correct the brightness and color of the image or given its artistic effect. Picture styles group tools can be used to give the image a border, effect or change its layout. You can use Arrange group tools to position the image of the page, align or rotate the image. Or else you can use the size group tools to compress or resize the image. Like this you can use this. Okay, now let's see the text warping. How to do the text warping? To do the text warping, select the image you want to warp text around. The Format tab will appear on the ribbon. Next, you need to click on the Format tab, then click the Warp Text command. In the Arrange group, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Then, however, the mouse over the various text warping option, you will get a preview of how the image will look on the document. When you have found the text warping option you want to use, click on it. Like this, you can use the text warping. Now, let's see the Insert shapes. To insert shape, first click shapes on the Insert tab and select the shape you want to save from the gallery. A cross appears on the page, then drag the cross to draw the shape of the size of you want. Then double click to the shape. Okay, the Format tab is enabled. You can select a style from the shape from the Shape Style gallery. Then use the shape field to the fill shape with color, shape outline to give the shape on outline and shape effect to give the different look. To write inside the shape, click it and type. To resize the shape, click on it and resize it by dragging the white dots on its corner. Now to rotate the shape, click to shape, click the rotate button in the Arrange group in the Format tab. Then from the menu, choose the type of rotation you want. Okay, to make a drawing on your page, click on the page where the drawing is to be inserted. Okay, then Insert tab, click the new drawing canvas in the Shape gallery box. Then a canvas is inserted into the document. You can make a drawing here with the line tools, curves, freedom of scribes tools and shapes gallery. Now let's see about the inserting symbol. How to insert a symbol? To insert symbol, first you need to select the Insert tab and symbol option, then select the symbol in the symbol list and click to the insert button. Okay, like this you can use the symbol. Now let's see working with tables. How to working with table. Select the insert tab and click table. However, your mouse over the diagram square to select the number of columns and rows in the table and click your mouse. The table appears on your document. Okay, now click on the table, enable the table tools layout tab. This allows you to insert or delete rows and columns, adjust height and width of the cell, align text in cell, etc. Okay, like this you can work with table. Okay, now to resize a table, click on it and drag the resize handle on the bottom right corner. To move the table, click on it and then using the select table handle move it on the page. Now let's see merge and split cells. To merge the cell, select them and click the merge cell option. To split the cell, click the cell and click split cells. Okay, like this you can merge and split the cells. Now let's see header and footer. How to insert. Click the insert tab, select the header command or footer command in the header and footer group as you need. Choose the header footer style from the drop down gallery. Enter the information that you want. Okay, then using the header and footer tab toolbar option which are now enabled, you can insert some auto text enter such as page number, date, time, picture, etc. Okay, once you have finished editing the required information, click the close header and footer option in the close group to switch back to the document edited mode. To edit the header or footer, click on the header or footer area. Okay, like this you can use the header and footer. Now let's see the next is checking the grammar. How to check. To enable the correct auto feature, click the file tab and choose option in the backstage view to open the word option dialog box. Next, click the proofing category of the left side of the window and then click the auto correction option button. The auto correction dialog box option showing the autocorrect tab. Then this correction, the autocorrect feature makes when you type the document and checked. You can change the setting here as per your preference. Like this you can use the checking for grammar. Now thesaurus. Microsoft Word processing software has a thesaurus which has synonyms and antonyms for almost every word. To use this feature, right click on the word and from the shortcut menu click synonym. A list of synonyms will be displayed. Okay, now let's see about the page layout. Page layout refers to the setting done for a page. This includes setting the orientation of the page, setting the margins, size, page breaks, giving it a watermark, page color or border. Now let's see about the numbering page. To insert page numbers in your pages, click the page number or on the insert tab. From the drop down menu option, select the position where you want to place the page number. Next is your inserting page break. Place the cursor where you want to insert a page break. In the insert tab, click page break. This page will split into two sections. Okay, now let's see about the page margin. To adjust the page margin, click margins in the page layout tab. Select a predefined margin size from the gallery. Now to customize the margin setting, click custom margins and type values for the margins. Now let's see page orientation. To set the page orientation, click orientation in the page layout tab, then page setup group, select the portrait or landscape. Like this you can set the page orientation. Now let's see about the paper size. When printing a document, we need to print on different paper size based on your requirement. Example A4, A3, legal. To select the page size, click on the size arrow in the page layout tab and select the size. Now columns. Select the text and in the page layout tab, click on columns. Select the number of columns, then text will arrange in columns. Now let's see watermarks. To insert a watermarks on a page, click watermarks on the page layout tab and select a watermark style from the gallery. Click custom watermark to change the text and add the text you want. Now let's see about the page border. In the page layout tab, click the page borders in the page background group. In the dialog box, click the page border tab and select one of the border option under setting. You can adjust the style, color and width of the border. The preview window shows you how the border will look. Now let's see about the page color. To give a color to the page, click the page color arrow in the page layout tab and select a color from the page. Now use auto format track change. To enable the auto track change feature in your document, in the review tab tracking group, click the track changes option to enable it. Click on the track changes arrow and select change tracking option. In the dialog box, you can adjust the setting according to your preference. This is about your auto formatting the track change. Now let's see about the review commands or comments. To add a comments in a document, select the text or item that you want to comment on or click at the end of the text. In the review tab, click new comment in the comment group and type the comment text in the comment balloon or box. To delete a comment, right click the comment and select delete. To show the comment, click show markup on the review tab and click comments. To hide the balloons, uncheck the comments box. You can change any of the comments by clicking within a balloon and making your change. Then click some other areas of your document outside the balloon. To view all the comment in a document, click review pane on the review tab in tracking group. When all the changes have been made, use the accept and reject button in the review tab to finalize the changes in the document. Now let's see previewing and printing a document. Click the file tab to the backstage view and select print. To print pane appears with the print setting on the left and the preview on the right. In the print pane, you can make the following setting. Select the number of copies you want, then select printer. Choose the print all the pages or select pages to print by writing the page number. Okay. Next, print on the side or both sides of the page. In case of multiple copies, print the pages as collected. Set the page orientation, size and margin here. After making all the setting, click on print to print the document. In the print window, pressing the escape button takes you back to the document window. So here we completed your chapter. Please go through the answers and write down.